Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So as we all know that the DBT exam is round the corner, we have just 15 days left for our examination, and for that matter we require that we use these 15 days in the best way possible. So in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you all some of the tips from my side which you could use during these last days of your preparation. The very first or the very important thing that you have to remember is planning out these 15 days. Plan out your revision, plan out your overall revision in such a way that you have time for each and everything and you do not miss out any topic of the final revision, because final revision is very important. It would help you out to recall each and every point in your preparation and mark the answers in the exam. Reason being, if you have analyzed the previous year question papers, you would have seen that many questions are based on the straightforward answer. That means they are very much into the theoretical concepts. So for the theory part, you need to have a strong revision of the same. Use your morning hours for revising the concepts. That is, use your morning time, whichever time you wake up, use that time to recall and to quickly revise each and every topic that you have prepared, because it would help you to gather all the facts together and also have a bullet points created in your mind. So this is the very first thing that you could do. The second thing is, do not skip off the previous year question paper revision as well. That means what you could do is take the previous year question papers from 2016 until 2020. Reason being, in 2016 the pattern of the paper was changed. So if you do not have ample time and if you just want to revise the most important papers, go for 2016 up till 2020 and just go through each and every question and revise those questions. Reason being, many questions have been repeated in the past years. I have analyzed the previous year question papers and I have found out that many questions were repeated. So I would suggest you that revise the previous year questions as well. It would help you out in one way or the other. The next thing is, do not take stress and do not think about that what the result would be. Stay calm, stay focused and just give your best for this examination. You have still 15 days left in your hand. Use these days wisely, use your time wisely. So the important tips that you could take up from this particular lecture is that first, try to revise all the concepts in the morning hours, and the second thing, try to revise all the previous year question papers as well. Do not skip them. I know you all must be knowing about these points, but it's very important, or it's good if you get those points highlighted, if you get those points recalled by someone. So for recalling these points, I helped you out. I hope this particular video would help you out in some way or the other. These points would help you have the concept in your mind that what you have to do and how you have to use these 15 days. Plan out your days, just revise everything and also do not skip off the previous year question papers, which is very important. So this was all I wanted to share in this particular video. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, do let me know in the comment sections below, and also all the very best everyone for the DBT examination. If you have any doubt related to any of the thing, you can ask me in the comment sections. I'll reply for sure, as you all know, and I'll see you very soon. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you find the content worth watching and if you find the content is helping you out in your preparations. Thank you so much everyone, and all the very best for your preparations. Take care.